So let's take a look at our Earth. Here we are. You can see we've got the planet, and it is a sphere. It's not flat. There are some clouds on it, so we can see the atmospheric circulation from the other week, the other month even. And if we zoom into the United Kingdom, what do you notice about the colour of it? Have a little think. Well, it's mostly green, isn't it? So that probably suggests that there isn't many towns and cities. But as we get closer, you'll start to notice that we're starting to get the labels of the cities, and the land's looking less green, especially around London and Manchester, Liverpool up in the northwest of England here. So, is the country all green? Probably not. We've got lots of urban areas that we're starting to notice as we get closer. So all around London we've got a lot of urban areas following the motorway here. You can see Reading, Swindon, Bristol, all the way down to Exeter in the southwest of England and Plymouth. And if we come back up north, we head from London, the urban area, we can see we've got Birmingham around here, huge urban area. And we've got Manchester just here, and we've got Liverpool, Sheffield, Leeds, all the way up to Scotland. Again, we've got a lot of countryside here, but we've got Newcastle and Sunderland and Middlesbrough, big cities. Up into Scotland, you can notice we've got Edinburgh, Glasgow and Dundee. So we've got a few big cities knocking around the UK, and it looks like they're spread out. And there are some reasons for this, so we're going to have a think about where the urban areas are in the UK and why people live there. Here we have a map of the UK's population distribution. You can see the darker areas have most people in them, over 20 people per hectare. So a hectare is a size of a football pitch squared, and the lighter areas don't have as many people, 0 to 0.2 people. So if we have a look at the map, we can see a lot of dark areas such as London, Manchester, Birmingham, and up by Edinburgh and Glasgow. So there's plenty of urban areas in the UK. So have a listen to what I'm saying and see how much you can remember. So more than 85% of the UK's population lives in urban areas. These are towns and cities. This means that in these areas they have a high population density, lots of people living in that area. Most of the cities in North England and Wales grew around the coal fields in the Industrial Revolution. These included Manchester, Sheffield and Leicester. So we can have a look at the coal fields coming up over there. So the browner areas are the areas where the coal fields were, and these are also areas where there are cities. Ports like Liverpool grew because of their ports for the trading to the rest of the world. London grew because it was a financial and cultural centre of the world. So we've got the link between the coal fields and the location and the finance of London.